Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and create a subreddit. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So for example, first of all, let me tell you what a subreddit is. So simply, as you can see, this is Hollow Knight subreddit. This is a community that people have built in order to go ahead and post similar content or similar interest what these people have followed this subreddit for. So in order to go ahead and create that, all you need to do is scroll on the bottom left hand side and simply go ahead and click on create communities. Once you've done that, go ahead and add a community name, for example laughter, and go ahead and add description. Laughter is already taken, so laughter unlimited. There you go. Click on next. Once you've done that, you can add your banner, your icon. Click on next. You can add your topics, filter your topics. So for example, let's just say funny. That's it. Next. And now you can simply go ahead and create public, restricted, private, and you can simply go ahead and make sure to see if it should be 18 plus or not. Create community, and it's gonna go ahead and create it for you. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.